Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make a crispy autumn photo effect on Photoshop. So let's get started. For this tutorial I have taken this photo. This photo is absolutely beautiful photo. I am going to refine it in another dimension. For the first, I am going to take the selective color, and here from the red color I can increase the cyans and I can decrease the magentas and increasing the yellows a bit. Now from the yellow color I am decreasing the cyans and increasing the magentas and also increasing the yellows. And here I am decreasing the blacks. Now we need to decrease the brightness here. Therefore I am going to take another adjustment layer of brightness and contrast, and here give a negative brightness around -41. Now I am going to take the curve layer for making auto dodge and burn. Therefore decrease the shadow part and increase the highlights part. Now I am going to take another adjustment layer of color lookup, and from here I am taking the soft warming look, and as it is very harsh I am going to decrease the opacity around 43. Now I'm going to take the adjustment layer of levels, and here I'm decreasing the shadows a bit and increasing the highlights here. Now I'm merging all the layers by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift and E, and I'm making it to smart object here, and I'm going to camera raw filter. And from basic part I am increasing the temperature and I am decreasing the tint. Now from exposure we can decrease it around -0.30, and we can also decrease the highlights here, and we can increase the whites, shadows as well as the blacks. Now from texture part we can decrease it a bit and we can increase the clarity, and we can dehaze it around +5. From vibrance we can increase it around 7 and we can decrease the saturation around -3. From curve I am going to the blue channel, and from blue channel we can increase the shadow a bit. Now from details part we can increase the sharpening around 7 and we can also reduce the noise around +10, and here I am giving the color noise reduction around 20. Now here is the color mixture. Color mixture is a very important of color grading. So please carefully follow the color mixture. From the saturation part I am increasing the reds as well as the orange and the yellow, and I am decreasing the greens, aquas and blues. From the luminance I am increasing the orange and also increasing the reds and yellows also. Now from hue part I am giving the negative aquas and negative blues and decreasing the yellows and orange also. Now from color grading I am giving a bluish type shadow here and a reddish and yellowish type highlights here. From mid-tone we can take a green type mid-tone here. And from the effects part we can give a bit of vignetting effect. And from color calibration we can increase the green primary saturation around 100%, and we can decrease the blue primary saturation, as well as we can decrease the red primary saturation. Now from the graduated filter I am giving a negative exposure around -2.25, and here the shadows will be +74 and blacks will be +6. And now drag it to top to bottom like this. As we can see, the exposure is very low here, therefore I am increasing this exposure around -1. Now check the before and after of the camera raw filter here. So this was the before of the camera raw filter, and this is the after of the camera raw filter. Now hit OK. Now I'm going to take another filter of Nik collection, which is Color Efex Pro 4. And from the cross processing we can take the L02 or L03. I think L02 is perfect here. Now hit OK. Now let's check the before and after. This is the initial photo, and this is the photo after all the editings. So this is all about today's tutorial. Hope you have learned how to make a crispy autumn photo effect here. So thank you very much.